Hey everyone, welcome back. In this very short video tutorial, today we will be learning how you can fix Microsoft Store app download error or any error related to installation. Okay, so let's start, and before anything else, please make sure that you are not connected or you are disconnected with your internet connection like this, or your Wi-Fi is off. And after doing so, let's proceed to the next process. So on your Windows icon, make a right click and please go to settings. Here from the left pane, please look for apps, and then once found, please click on it. And here, proceed to installed apps. And please look for Microsoft Store. Just scroll down a little bit to go to the M section. And if you haven't found it here, please proceed to Okay, so it's not here. Please proceed to System Components. For the related settings, go to System Components, click on, and we found the Microsoft Store here. So from here, we need to click on the three dots button for more options, and then click on Advanced Options. Here we need to do some adjustments on the settings of our Microsoft Store. Just scroll down a little bit, and then once you found the reset option, if the system component isn't working right, we can try to repair it. So by clicking repair, the system will be repairing Microsoft Store, and the system components data won't be affected. So let's click on repair. It's still loading, so let's just wait for it to finish. And it's almost done. Okay, so it's done, and this check mark here appeared right beside the repair button. Okay, so then this indicates that your Microsoft Store is good to go. But still, if it's not working right, then you can proceed to the next option here. If the system component still isn't working right, then you can reset it, and the system components data will be deleted. So you can click on the reset button, and this will permanently delete the system components data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. So if you want to proceed, please click on the reset button. And after doing so, you can go sign out your computer or laptop and make a restart. Okay, so let me know if it worked for you. And that's it. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I see you on the next one. Bye bye.